Have you ever tried to change your TikTok account region and failed? Many people have been trying to change their TikTok account regions but failed. Now, make sure that you keep this video to the end because I'm going to share with you the reason why you fail and all you need to do before changing your TikTok account region. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, here are the reasons why many people fail to change their TikTok account region. Now, some people be in that country, they would like to switch their accounts to. Let me say you are in the United States and your account shows another country. So in any country you travel to, TikTok is not going to allow you to change your TikTok account region in just the first days. You have to wait for 3 months so that TikTok allows you to update your TikTok account region. So you have to be patient. The moment you make 3 months in that country, you will be able to change your account region on TikTok. Now, if you want to change your TikTok account region, you are in another country, you want to switch to another country where you're not staying. Let me say you are in Nigeria, you want to change your account region to US, United States. That one is going to be hard for you because TikTok will not allow you. Some people do use third-party apps to do so, but still TikTok suspend their account the moment they spot that. Now, the only thing you can do is creating another account in another region using a VPN or some third-party apps, but not changing the account region in the account you are owning already or the account you created already in another country. It is not possible, and if you try doing so and you keep on doing so and using some third-party apps, TikTok will suspend your account. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.